guys, welcome back to Rhapsody. Today we're going to be looking at the British pound US dollar again, and also the British pound Japanese yen. But first off, we're starting with the GBP USD. Now on the monthly time frame, we see that the British pound is still in this zone. Basically, it's still respecting this resistance zone here at the top. So it's been doing this for, well, basically almost it's going on the second month now. So it's been moving up and down. Like you see, it's been in the consolidation phase in between these two areas. I'm not going to do the weekly today. I just want to go straight to the daily. Now on a daily time frame, I'm just going to scroll out a little bit more. Just wanted to draw my trend line in here, basically. Stop here. There you go. Just want to draw it perfectly. That looks about right. Not almost. There you go. It's been touching those areas. Sorry, I've scrolled out so much. I just wanted to. Here we go. And then let's draw the one at the top here. That's it. Okay, just want to zoom in a little bit. So yeah, we can see that GBP USD has been, the pound has been moving in that zone. If you can see that, the zone following up in a nice uptrend all the way to the top, to this area of resistance. And you can see how this area have been tested and tested and retested the whole time. It's as if, you know, it's hitting this roof, if I can say that. So basically, it's not being able to break this area of resistance. Very strong. So yeah, we are still looking at a potential sell in this area. So if we have to, before we move on, I wanted to from here on basically drill down to the 4 hour. Seeing that not so much been happening in the daily in the last couple of days. So just want to zoom out a little bit more again. Okay, so on a 4 hourly basis, we can see that there's another trend line. This is all price action, guys. Just remember, all currency pairs, anything, you know, if you understand price action, you're going to go a far way or a long way. So there we go. Just going to put it right there. Just wanted to move it down a little bit to get it perfect. Okay, so on a 4 hourly basis, we can see how the pound have been respecting these two trend lines. So basically, it's been bouncing off it, bouncing off it. It broke this trend line, came back to almost retest it, shot up. I mean, and then you can see there's a little bit of false breakout, but it's been trying to get out of this zone, also a bullish zone. But you know what? I've seen it countless of times. This is market correction. As soon as you see this up movement, all we need to do is wait until price breaks through this the trend line, and as soon as it starts breaking, we look for this retracement, and bam, that is the area that we're going to be waiting for. Nice sell opportunity, but again, this is a big possibility that could happen. I mean, we could see how just wanted to draw that here. We can see this area here. It's been tapping this area. It's the second time tapping this area. Also in our zone of the big resistance zones, it's been tapping it. So yeah, will this be a sign of the British pound going down? You know, it hasn't been able to, what is this, for the last day or so, hasn't been able to go past that zone. But again, anything is possible. don't want to predict it, you want to react to the market. And so let's see what happens this week. Big possibility that it could break this trend line, but also a possibility that it can just tap that trend line and eventually move up and also basically break the zone here. And then as soon as it breaks, we don't buy in the break, we wait for that retest and then we buy. So guys, this is all waiting game. The pound has been strong, but as we can see in this, it's been losing its momentum, losing a bit of steam. So let's wait and see what the market does in GU. Let's see if it's gonna break that trend line. So basically, let's move on to GU. Let's just go to the monthly time frame. There we go. Just expand it a little bit more. Not too much. Same thing, guys. It is also in this area. Let me just draw that. I don't want to spend a lot of time drawing these because, I mean, we've seen this before. It's in between that zone. Sorry if I'm not drawing it exactly as I should, but I mean, we can see and we know, especially when we followed it, that it's in the zone. It's been tapping it, it's been resisting it. It has not been able to break that zone. So we're not looking for a buy yet, guys. As soon as it breaks it and comes and retests, then we buy. But for now, you know, it's all still respecting that zone. So let's just have a look. Weekly time frame. And a weekly time frame, just going to draw out a little bit more. Weekly time frame, we can see it's still in that area over there. Let's just make a copy of that trend line to see if it's a zone that it's basically formed. Correct. There we can see it. It's been in that zone, but again, you can see this whole big momentum to the upside, and it's been kind of tapping into just wanting to break through, not being able to do that. So yeah, very interesting times for the British pound. Strong, but again, over here you can see this big bullish momentum. The bears are starting to tell, the sellers are starting to climb into the market slowly but then surely. If we have to move to the daily, let's have a look at what's happening here. We know that this area over here is a strong support area as well. It was resistant, broke through, retested the whole time, price shot up, and again, look at this. When price shot up, came up, and it basically touched our trend line over here, shot back straight into, let me take this out, there we go, come, and it shot up and it came back and it retraced straight into our 50% to 61.8%, and it went up. So you know what is going to happen next, guys. So now let's drill down to the 4 hours. Okay, now with the 4 hours, 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, we start drawing these trend lines. So all price action, guys. Again, guys must study your price actions. I'm going to make a nice video about price action soon. There we go. So let's see if there is a zone that formed here. Right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. So basically price came up, respected this trend, or this, it said started bouncing off, came up, bounced off it again, made a false break just to come and tap the 50%, 61%, came back into the trend line zone, if I can say that, and started tapping in and out, or not in between it. See what I'm saying? So what we're sitting with now is we're sitting with the scenario that the pound might still carry on moving up and down the zone. So there's a possibility for a buy opportunity, sell when it comes up here, or next week. Will next week be the week that the pound is going to break this trend line? We don't buy until it starts retesting it, and as soon as it retests, and then we sell. So guys, this is going to be a key area next week again. Let's see what happens. It's been slow. I mean, it's been almost, I can almost say, boring trading it. It's just been consolidating and up and down. But I mean, this is the areas that we're going to be looking at for these two pairs. Let's see if British pound this week is going to make a move. And yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Look out for more videos coming your way this weekend, more analysis. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments in the comment section, and just look at my description. I've put a couple of links there to my Telegram channel, preferred broker. Guys, yeah, just hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Happy trading, guys.